Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 31st, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku, and now it's time for the 4 stars Sudoku. And yeah, in the additional we have 5 puzzles to solve. This is the second one, and this will be number 4629. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 24 printed digits. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 3 ones we have here, 3 twos, 3 threes, 3 fours, 1 5, 2 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, and 3 nines. All right. So will be difficult. I see here the 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 and 1 there. 1 should be there. 2. Okay. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. All right. 7, 7, 4, 6, okay. 8. Let me think. 6 in this first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Okay. 4. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in this big square, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. So what are the other 2 numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay. 6. Let me see. 4. Interesting. 6. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the second column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in the last row, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6. Alright. 6. Okay. Yeah. In this row, the middle row, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle row is the number 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in this box. A 6 in the column next, so no 6 in that box. Here also a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. Here 6 in that column, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Well, I see here 6 in the second column, so no 6 in this box, so 1 box left for the 6 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. Now we have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in this box. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay, and now 4. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. Alright. Okay, 8 8. 8 8 8. Okay. Then 9 9 9 9 9. Okay. Let me think. 6 1 3. No. 8 8 8. We have an 8 here. Okay, 8 8. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 8. Okay, 4 4 7 7. Yeah. Come on. 3 5 2 2 2. How about the 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2? We have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. 2 2 2. 2. I cannot continue with the 2. No. 7 7. How about the 6? Yeah, we have a pair. 7 and a 6 in the last column. 7 and a 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 6, 7 and 6. Okay, so now we have a 9. Oh, no. Need to wait. The 2, the 6. 6, 6, 6. Okay, here we have also a 6, but 7. 7. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the first row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Okay. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay, 5. Okay, 3 8 4. 4. I'm thinking. 2 8 4. Come on. 7 6 5 5. Need a 5 there. 8 8. Come on. 3 3. 9 9. Need a 9 there. The difficult part. So we have a 4, 5, the 4, and 4 5, and a 9. Need a 9. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the third column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be. Oh, no. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 1. 1 in the third 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1. Yeah. 1, the 3, the 8, and the 9. Interesting. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9. 2, 5. 2, 5. The 7. Interesting. 7. No 7, 7. Yeah, 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the first column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers and 9 we have here, but we are also missing here is the 7. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, yeah, the 7. 9 and the 7, 9 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. 4, 4. Okay. 5 and 7. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2 in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this row. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 5 and 8. Here we have a 7 and a 6. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row. First row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers are 1 is missing and the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also, in the middle row, the 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in the last column. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. And the 5 goes there, 1 box left in this big square for number 5. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.